Got 2 brim and a catfish. Let's go put it in the swamp. Every time I go down to the swamp, I pass this big old magnolia. What I think is a magnolia. I mean, I don't know if you can see the leaves, but yeah, just absolutely massive. It's pretty cool. We are here, let's get to work. Little bluegill. I'm just gonna dump the catfish in there, but let's get this brim first. Y'all let me know what this is. All right, and then we're just gonna little bullhead. We're just gonna dump them in there. And there he goes.